EPLAN software and service. The innovation driver in the software-based CAE engineering market presents new developments at this year's Hannover Fair, together with its sister company Cidian. The main focus lies on the new mechatronics engineering solution called Syngineer. It is the result of an innovative approach of EPLAN and Cidian to shorten engineering times, to increase quality and to get much higher transparency. Syngineer means synchronous collaboration and communication between all engineering disciplines, mechanical, electrical controls and PLC software engineering.
The Syngineer is a web platform, cloud-based platform, where those three engineering disciplines jointly define a mechanical structure and link their respective CAD authoring systems to this Syngineer structure. So this means if a light barrier, for example, is defined in the mechanical side, the electrical side can also look at the same definition and can jointly define the right light barrier from the electrical side, and even the software side can link to this. This means that the engineering can be done much more in parallel, so much faster. Engineering will have less errors because we know automatically which has changed on the mechanical side, so we can make the appropriate changes on the electrical side. There is more transparency, and there might be even some really good new mechatronical ideas, because you just understand better the issues and the challenges from each other's department.
Simplifying the control cabinet wiring is the next important topic. The wiring consumes more than 40% of the time required to manufacture a control cabinet. The new EPLAN smart wiring is based on the upcoming EPLAN platform version 2.6 and targets exactly the shop floor where the control cabinet is being built.
Now, if a customer has worked with EPLAN for the schematic design, if he has worked for EPLAN to do the virtual panel design, then all the information where all the components are finally sitting is already defined. So all the wiring can be automized. It gives the shop floor worker a very good overview where each of the maybe 500 wire needs to start, where is the source, where is the target, and in which way within the control cabinet does the wire need to be routed. So it's faster, it's easier to do, and of course we have less errors because it's much better controlled. And last but not least, at each day you already know how many percent of your work is already being done.
These factors lead to substantial time savings based on 100% digital production data. This is also the main target of EPLAN's digital device data catalogue. EPLAN Data Portal meets DXF.
Let me just mention now the EPLAN Data Portal, which is very important as it's the fuel for many processes, any engineering processes afterwards. We are not only growing successively the data portal, and we are very happy that more and more component suppliers are joining. We'll now also offer for non-EPLAN user a DXF format, so that they can also use the EPLAN data portal in a very smooth way, and that it will become much more popular to use the EPLAN data portal for also the component suppliers.
With Smart Engineering and Production 4.0, EPLAN demonstrates intelligent, connected production processes. You get practical insights into all aspects of the automated process chain, from prototype to volume production.
We are showing here a complete Industry 4.0 process, starting from the digital input of the data, for example, from a terminal, going over the various EPLAN engineering tools to virtually design a cabinet, and then ending with production machines for the shop floor from Rittal, from Phoenix, or also EPLAN solutions to help the shop floor worker optimize his production.
What the intelligent factory of tomorrow looks like gets presented by Smart Factory KL, a consortium with more than 40 well-known companies. EPLAN covers the full automation of technology engineering. The EPLAN data offer additional potential for innovative concepts such as flexibility and transmission of process data.
We are showing here a truly Industry 4.0 scenario with a lot size 1. We are combining EPLAN's domain of engineering with the operations, and in this case we are showing how to listen via OPC UA standard to the information a Bosch Rexroth component sends in the field and showing this information directly in the schematic design.
So, EPLAN is well prepared for efficient engineering now and in the future.